Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to change password on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, let's just search for the settings from the start button. Here you can see we have this settings. Just tap on the settings. After that you need to tap on the accounts option right over here. Then scroll it down until you find the sign in options. Just tap on the sign in options and from here you will see password. Tap on the password and then tap on the change right over here. All right, now you need to enter your current password, which is 1234 for my case. Then I will go to the next, and as you can see we have got our new password, confirm password. So that's how you can change the password on Windows 11. If you don't want any kind of password, then just tap on the next and again finish. That's how you can remove the password also. But in this video I have shown how to change the password on Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching.